All right. Well, welcome to CNET 141, Cryptography for Computer Networks. And let me clean up my screen as much as I can. All right. So I think a lot of you have taken my classes before. If you haven't, the most important thing is to go to samsclass.info. And then you click on your class. And this is what I use to organize everything in the class. There's a Canvas, but it's only used to record scores and for discussions. Most of the time, we'll use either Twitch or Zoom for class. You can show up physically in room 200 if you want to, but it's fine to connect online. There's no need to ever come physically if you don't want to. You can get a free copy of the textbook through the college library. The instructions are up here. And the textbook is this one, Serious Cryptography. The official classroom content, and the main content for the class is normal cryptography, like RSA and AES and all that. I added a whole bunch of cryptocurrency stuff like Bitcoin and Ethereum because it's important these days, but it's not as important as the main cryptography stuff. So all that stuff is extra credit, and all the books about cryptocurrency are free online for everybody. This one's free for City College students only through the library. All right.
Excuse me, sorry to disturb you. Are you an instructor here?
Yeah.
Normally I teach in cloud. Now they have me teach me up in 311.
Yeah.
And I can't get into the classroom computer.
I've never known how to do it.
Okay.
Good luck. Yeah,
All right.
Yeah. All right. Anyway, cryptography is essential these days. I don't think anybody needs to be persuaded of that, I imagine. And so we're going to cover the basic techniques, AES, RSA, and SHA, and some others. And we'll perform a lot of projects setting these up and seeing various ways to set them up wrong and how to fix them, as covered in this textbook, which is very good, Serious Cryptography. There are quizzes online in the Canvas system, and you get 2 tries for each one, and the higher one counts. There's a discussion board, and there's discussions every week, and you should do that. If you have trouble or you don't want to do anything like quizzes or discussion board, you can compensate for everything by doing more hands-on projects. There's a lot of hands-on projects. You'll see a lot of them have extra credit portions. A lot of them are completely extra credit. There's a whole lot here. Like there's the main cryptography and math stuff, and then comes all the extra credit cryptocurrency stuff, of which there's an awful lot. And in fact, if you don't, you can turn it in online with screenshots, and my grader will grade it. If you prefer an automated scoreboard, there's one at the bottom right, but I know most students prefer not to use it. You want the help you can get by turning in images, but you can make it like a CTF scoreboard if you want to. All right. And of course, you can reach me by tuning in. Oh, one important thing, you can connect to me 4 nights a week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. At 6, I teach a class. And by 7 or 7:30, the class is over and I can take questions, and you can reach me by Zoom or Twitch or come to any of these classes. They're all in this same room. So if anybody has troubles, let me know. And I think that's it for the basic introduction. Let me stop this one and make a separate recording for the first lecture. Oh, there's room. If anybody wants to add to any of my classes, just make a request and I will approve it. So I'm going to stop